Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect HubSpot to Meta's Conversions API in just a few simple steps. Start by clicking Marketing in the left sidebar to expand that menu. The menu expands in place, revealing several marketing-related options beneath it. Click Ads from the expanded menu to open the Ads page. The main content area refreshes, and you'll see your ads dashboard with the Settings gear icon visible in the top navigation bar. Click the Settings gear icon in the top navigation bar to open your ads settings. This opens the Ads Settings view where you can manage connected advertising accounts. Click the Connect Account button, then select Meta from the network options that appear. You'll see several ad network choices including Meta, Google, and other platforms. A Facebook login window opens. Sign in with the Meta account you want to connect and approve the permissions when prompted. This grants the platform access to manage your Meta ad accounts on your behalf. Once authenticated, a Choose Meta Ad Accounts modal appears, showing the ad accounts linked to that Meta login. Each account displays with its name and ID for identification. Click the checkbox next to the ad account you want to connect. For this example, I'm selecting Golfy Test Account. You can connect multiple accounts by selecting additional checkboxes if needed. Click Connect Accounts at the bottom of the modal, and after a brief loading state, you'll see a success message confirming Meta is connected. Then your Meta account appears in the Connected Accounts list on the Settings page. If the Facebook login window closes without showing the permissions screen, check your browser isn't blocking pop-ups for HubSpot. You'll need to allow them to complete the connection. You can connect multiple Meta ad accounts to the same HubSpot portal by repeating this process and selecting a different account each time. If you need to disconnect later, come back to this same Ad Settings page, find your Meta account in the list, and click the Disconnect option next to it. And that's how to connect HubSpot to Meta's Conversions API. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.